Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Python. Today we are going to learn how to download the YouTube videos using the Pytube. So basically Pytube has some more issues that coming around. So I come up with again a new video to how to download the YouTube videos using the Pytube in Python. Let's get started. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's have a look. Okay, so the code is already ready. So we have to install the two things, that is pip install pytube fix. If you don't have the install the pytube, so make sure you have to install that one also. So this is the basic lines of code that will help you to download the video, YouTube video. Okay, let's go and just paste it up, this code, and let's have a look. So this is already installed, so don't you have to install this one, right? And we have to put the URL. So any URL I need to put it up over here, like this URL. So full copy this URL or what, share, then we have to copy this URL. Okay, now I'm going to paste it, that URL into this one. Okay, pytube fix CLI on, because CLI will show the progress. Okay, and we have to print the only title and save the, get the highest resolution and download this. Okay, let's try to save this and run this code. Let's clear this all and let's go with Python testing this. And this is the full-fledged title that is printing up, and this is the download, how much download, it's 100%, it's completed. Okay, let's go to the folder and make sure it should be downloaded over there, right? So here we go with this one, node.js plus this is already downloaded in the highest resolution. Let's have a look, and this is the video, right? So this is downloaded and this is from that one. Okay, so I hope you get understand like how we can download the YouTube videos with the new version. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can see here we have the node.js, this is that one, right? Node.js and TypeScript, everything. Okay, this is the tutorial and this is the way the download video is there. Okay, any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. In the next coming series, how to download the playlist also we are going to learn. Let's have a look that. Thank you so much. Have a great day.